So guys, today's visual mnemonic is related to hormones in the menstrual cycle. We will cover 4 hormones: estrogen, progesterone, LH, and FSH. For that, you have to remember this image. Who is there in this image? There is an old man. An old, creepy, perverted man who uses different tricks to impress girls. Like he has worn this hat. He has put flowers on the hat. And you have to remember this. Now, what we will do is we will divide this image into days. The leftmost part will be day 1, the center will be day 14, and the rightmost will be day 28. Now, you have to remember this. Now, coming to each hormone one by one. First, let's come to estrogen. For estrogen, I made curvy hair on him. So you can see the letter E here. The first letter of estrogen is E, and the curly hair I made also look like E. Now, estrogen is shown just above his hair, this weird-looking hat. The shape of the hat represents the estrogen curve. And look at the shape of the hat. This part here is day 14, which is coming in the center. So the estrogen peak comes before day 14. So the estrogen curve will look something like this. There will be a dip in the middle after day 14. There will be a dip. And then again, it will rise a little. Now let's look at progesterone. Progesterone is shown by his eyes. If you see the eyes, they look exactly like the letter P. The initial of progesterone is P, and the eyes look similar. So the right eye, which is after day 14, after the center line, the eyebrow of the right eye represents the progesterone curve. So you can see this is the progesterone curve. Now let's come to the other hormones, LH and FSH. Look at LH. Look at the spectacles on his nose. This represents H. I'll draw it here on the side. This is L, and the H in the middle represents LH. This is L, and this is H. The nose is coming exactly in the center, so it represents that the LH hormone peaks. This is the peak because it is coming in the center. And then look at his lips. They look like a fish. And fish sounds like FSH. So FSH sounds like fish. That's why the lips represent the FSH hormone. And see the fish, the mustache above the lips, looks like a wave, a weird wave. Look at it. First a small hill comes, then a bigger hill comes, and then it goes downward. So this is exactly FSH. It rises, then a greater rise, and then it comes downward.